Hey, welcome back to the channel. I feel like I got a hair right there. Sorry, y'all. So today it's just a shorter video. I'm not really making nothing. I did make the little Christmas tree. I did make something in the mold that Sabrina got me. It's a Christmas tree. I just did all green glitter, but now I know some different ways to try it. This takes a lot of epoxy, but we're gonna pop this out and see how that goes. I've been working on a very large order of epoxy scratchers for Local for Scratchers and Lucky Charm Scratcher want to do a collab one. They are definitely testing my skills. So I printed up 200 stickers, 100 of hers and 100 of hers. This took me like, I think it was almost 7 hours to cut all them out, but we got that done. So because I don't have a sticky sticker to stick down in the mold because there's a sticker on each side, it is kicking my ass. So I have one sheet done. I will get you guys in here. I am such a hard critic on myself. I think they turned out okay. These ones will be able to pop out. This sheet here, I tried pouring the epoxy and then putting the stickers in when it's still wet. But as you see, some of them slid. I mean, it still looks good, but it pisses me off because some of them slid. So I just have to fill these with a top coat, and those will be done, and they have to set. So let me get you in here so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. Let me lower you down a little bit. So if you see on these, I know there's a glare from the light. I have to move you over here. You see around Local for Scratchers, you see a little bit of a white line around it. Well, that's because not every sticker is the same size of hers and hers. And I have to stick them together. Now, it doesn't look bad at all. We're going to pop them out. But I'm just so hard on myself. I hope the ladies like it. I'm definitely going to try to trim that. If I trim too much of that, then I end up cutting into her logo. I'll show you guys what I mean here. So if I take a sticker, I'm going to do one for you guys right here. If I take, this is hard work, y'all. Y'all think, oh, it don't take no time. That's bullshit. Here's her, sorry about the lighting. This is Lucky Charm Scratcher. And here is Local for Scratchers. So I tried to get them the exact same size. I don't have all that fancy equipment to do all that shit. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So upset with myself. I'm trying, ladies. I think they turned out good. I hope you like them. So I take her sticker and I make sure that her face, you know, it's facing the right way. And I take them scissors, sorry, to kind of hold that sticker down there. And then I take her sticker and I kind of stick it on there. You're gonna see a shadow here because I gotta get this on here. See what I'm saying? So it's stuck together. But I tried so hard to get her smaller, and I can't trim that off because then it'll cut into her logo. It still looks good though. It makes Local for Scratchers pop because it's a lot of dark colors in her logo. So then it has the white line around it. If you guys can see it. See what I'm saying? So there's no way around that. I tried, y'all. I tried. So then I tried, I can just set that to the side and get this out of the way here. So like I said, these ones, we could pop these out because these ones are done. They still look freaking badass, y'all. Look at that. Because it's a clear epoxy coin. The lighting here is just terrible, y'all. Let me turn to the side. So here's one. This is Lucky Charm Scratcher on that side. And Local for Scratchers on that side. They still turned out great. Like I said, I'm just hard on myself. I know the ladies will love it. Like I said, I'm not a professional, so yeah, there's an air bubble. But let me tell you something. You can ask anybody that has any of these epoxy coins. These things will scratch any ticket. Any gummy, old-ass, rough ticket to scratch, these scratch good because they're still 2-inch round diameter, like a channel coin, and they're 1/4 inch thick. So I think I'm going to have to do them this way. Because as you can see on this one, see, the sticker slid over some. It is still going to look good, but it slid over some. It pissed me off, y'all. So ladies, bear with me because I ordered some more epoxy to come because you ladies ordered 100. So I'm working on what I can work on now. And then when my other epoxy comes, I will finish your order. I appreciate you two ladies and everybody for all love and support. So let's go. I'm going to move you guys back over here if I can. So you can kind of see what I'm doing here. So I'm going to pop these ones out. So we have 8 of them done so far. So So I'm gonna have to do them this way because they slid that way. Oh, that pissed me off, y'all. I was so mad. I was so discouraged. I was literally ready to quit. But you know what? I'm not a quitter. I'm not quitting. So we have a set of 8 done so far. So I gotta set these over there. I think they still turned out good. Like I said, some of them have a few bubbles. But I'm not a professional, but they still look great. And they scratch good tickets. They scratch tickets good. Duh, I can talk. Alright, so I have some epoxy poured here. Let me get y'all down in here. So I'm just going to put some clear in this one. Halfway. And then tomorrow I'll be able to put some stickers in it. Sorry, snore box. So I just wanted to give you ladies an update. I'm pretty sure Lucky Charm Scratcher sees this. I know Sybil will. I'm trying, ladies. You guys are definitely challenging me on this one. So this one here, I think you guys can see. I'm just filling this one halfway up. And then tomorrow I'll get stickers. But I still take the heat gun and get the bubbles out. Yeah, it's a process, y'all. It's been kicking my butt. Straight up kicking my butt. And then I ran out of epoxy. And I have some other orders to do. And I'm like, oh my goodness. Alright, set that there real quick. Make sure if it's too full, I can scoop some out and put it on the other side. But yeah, these will just get halfway full. Tomorrow to get stickers and another layer. Now this one here, I'm going to slide this one over. This one here's got to get a top coat. And they got to sit and they'll be done. I'm sorry, ladies. A couple of them slid, but now I know I can't do it this way, if that makes sense. I have to do it the other way, which takes longer, but I got this. I got y'all. You know I got this. These are going to be so cool, though. Be the first collab epoxy scratcher coin. Be the first one out there, y'all. If y'all interested in getting one, you got to get a hold of them ladies. And once they get them and they're all done, they'll let you know what you got to do to get you one home. I've made quite a few for a lot of different channels. Like I said, I appreciate everybody's love and support. You guys are amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's not a fancy video today. I'm exhausted, y'all. I've been so busy with orders that I have. Let me see how that looks. I'm going to take the heat gun real quick over here. And on top of this one, just get the tiny bubbles out, and I gotta keep doing this, you know? Yeah, I don't like how these ones turned out. They still look good, but I just don't like that it slid like that, you know what I mean? I don't know if it makes sense to you guys or not. It does to me. Still looks good though with 2 logos. It looks real good. Alright, that's it there. Slide this one over. Let me do the heat gun a little more and then we'll do the Christmas tree. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes and I just wanted to use the heat gun and keep getting the bubbles out of these coin trays here. I did order another coin mold tray, but who knows when the hell that's going to get here. So let's go. Let's undo this Christmas tree. See how this looks. This looks like it's going to be a bitch to get out. So you heard that, right? That silicone mold snap back, y'all. Once again, thank you everybody for all love and support. Welcome to all my new subscribers and welcome to all my new members. I'm tripping, y'all. That shows you I've been busy. I don't have memberships on this channel yet. It's my other channel. My bad. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. This is cute. But now I know how I did the dragon. If you turn the molds inside out, like it's got little ornaments and stuff on it, now I know I can do that. Looks pretty cool so far, though. I just did it all in green glitter. This is the bottom part of the tree. It's like a little trinket tray or candle holder. I don't know if I'd put a candle in it. I don't know, y'all. This top part was really difficult to fill because I had to and I missed the spot. You have to push the epoxy down in there. That was a bitch. Excuse my language. Let's get this out of here. Gotta get them edges lifted. Yow, my fingers. Alright, let's go. It is cute though. Look at that. Y'all see that? Little Christmas tree trinket? Yeah, see right here? I missed. I mean, look. That was my first time doing the mold. So it's just a plain green glitter Christmas tree, but it has a star and little ornaments and stuff. So now I know next time. This takes a lot of epoxy. This lid is heavy. This isn't so heavy, but I think it turned out kind of cool. I can get you guys in here if you want to look at. I need a vacation, y'all. I need a vacation. Let's go. Look at that. Little glitter Christmas tree. Two-parter. That's the top. Here's the bottom. I need to sand this and stuff. It's got to set. It's pretty, though. I mean, don't get me wrong. It's pretty just like that. That takes a lot of epoxy. I don't know if... Ooh, shit. I almost dropped it. I don't know if I'm making any more for right now. These are in here doing their thing. Those have to sit for 24 hours dry. And then this one's got to get stickers. I just got to figure out how to get them in the right way. I set the other ones over there. Appreciate all of you guys. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, comment, and share. It don't cost a thing. And until next time, y'all have a good one. Bye.